Hello guys. Yeah, I might have, deleted it again. I'm so dumb. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, but here I accidentally deleted it, guys. Please, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. I would never do something like this ever again. So, oh wow, 13. Wow. Let's just. Oh, let's just this name. Oh, tournament. Yeah, I should do a tournament. Let's just do a tournament. Okay. Please forgive me, guys. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Please. Oh, hello, brother. What does this guy have? Let me see. Yeah. Pulse cannons. Okay, that's not bad. Just waiting here. He's going. Oh, no, no, no! Ah! Okay, I should not put shotguns. That is a bad idea. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that won't do anything. That won't do anything. What the heck there? I'm gonna see these guys. Oh, that's right. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, wow. I somehow survived that. Okay. Please get out. Oh, wait, did I just get? I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh no, guys, go, 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 go. I'm trying to miss it. Oh, get him, boys. We're almost. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, that was so close. It's my job to protect the center. Oh, battle hazard for TV. Okay. Where is everyone? Okay. Oh, hey, no, no, no. I wanna fight me. Oh, he died. Out of here. Oh, wait, that was a stalker. Oh my god, you're kidding me. Huh? Huh? What's going on? What's going on? No, no, oh, you're kidding me. Oh, so I should never fight a guardian. Oh, wait, he died? Oh, nice. So, uh, excuse me, are you okay? I don't think you are. Let's go, we got full influence. Alright, yeah, this is why I should never put shotguns on a stalker. It's a bad idea. Unlike this guy. Yeah, this guy, the stalker right there. He has a great idea. Alright, skip. Oh, great. I hate this map. I hate this map. I don't like this map. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's the last heat. I never played a tournament. It's been almost since like 2 weeks since I haven't uploaded my video. Oh, no, snipers. I hate stuff. Oh, crap. Wait, what? Get out. Walk with you. Go, let's go, let's go. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, we're doing good, we're doing good, we're doing good. Oh, no, 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 no. There's a sniper here. You want to see my skills? Here you go. Here's my skills. Oh, no, 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 no. This is bad, this is bad. Why is everyone over me? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. This is a real tree. Ah! There are two people. Oh, there's a sniper. Wow, he's so bad. He somehow killed me. Oh, okay, wow, this guy's bad. Get out! Oh, I don't like snipers. Oh! Oh my God, someone help me. Oh, the kill shot. Thank you so much. But I have to kill you now. Ah! Oh, okay. Daredevil 17. Okay. Okay. Good name. Daredevil 17. Oh, wait, he's the kill leader? Oh, okay. He just took my lead. Are you kidding me? He's right there. Get out of here. Rock with you? Oh, oh, get him, boys. Okay, I think he's trying to get revenge on me. I have no idea. Yeah, he's right there. He's right there. He's trying to get revenge. Okay, does this guy have the same hangar power as me? Does this guy have the same stuff as me? I have no idea. Hey, 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 no, 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 no. We can talk about this, my man. See, 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 see. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Come here, boy. Godlike. Where's Daredevil? I didn't notice him. Oh, there he is. Daredevil's right there. You know what? I'm just gonna leave him there. Psych. Okay. Oh, okay, 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 okay. He got me. He got me. Good job, man. You got me. But you won't get my lead. Ha ha ha. Oh, 15 kills. Oh. Okay, got 3 kills with that. Okay, that's actually pretty powerful. Okay, let's do one more. One more. And also, why do I keep deleting my yeah, why do I keep deleting my uploads? Like, it's so weird. Like, sometimes I'm a little dumb. I'm stupid. Let's do this, boys. Oh, okay. No, no. I know someone's gonna jump scare me if someone's here. Oh, ready for you, boy. Okay, what's that? So this is just like overcharging, but instead you're overcharging yourself, get it? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell. Yeah, I get more healed. Oh crap. It's over there. Load my weapons! Oh crap. I'm gonna get my overcharger ready. Get him, boys. Oh no, I missed! Okay, okay. Why does this always happen? I get squid. Go get him. No, get him. Oh no, oh no. I'm so close. I was so close. So close. It's so far. Oh! He somehow managed. He's an idol. Oh, he died. He died. Okay. 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 Let's get out. Oh my god! I somehow survived. That's amazing. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Someone's here! Someone's here! Someone's here! Yes. Okay. Let's go. Okay. I'm getting the hang of this. I'm getting. I'm getting. Oh no! Okay. No! 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 Okay. I'm getting the hang of using Stalker. That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm getting the hang of using Stalker. That's actually really good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. No! 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 I'm not ready. I'm not ready. No! 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 Get out! Okay. Oh no. Steel lancers. Bro, there's so many enemies behind me. I feel like someone's gonna get me. Bro. Let's go. 8 kills with a shotgun. I'm somehow so good at this game. Okay. Wait, what? It's not even... Oh no, someone's right there. Someone's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no, no. Oh! Okay, okay, okay. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good, guys. I'm good. Okay, okay. I'm not. I'm not. Oh, okay. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Godlike. I got godlike. Yes, go, guys. Oh, oh, no, no, no. Okay. Why is everyone trying to kill me now? What? Oh, okay. At least Tiger got me. Okay, okay. Oh, wait, he's gonna die. Okay, someone got me. Someone got me. Good job. Someone got me. And now I'm gonna get you guys. Yes, let's go. 12 kills. Well, what was everyone doing this entire time? Bro, what was everyone doing? Alright, let's go. Okay. Oh, there's someone right there. Okay, hopefully someone doesn't get me from there. I just gotta get this guy. Okay, okay. Someone gotta kill me for me. I don't care. Alright, you gotta wait for my, yeah, the reload. And then I got this. I got this. Oh no! 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 Get out! Get out! Get out of my house! Get out! Okay. Okay. This is risky. This is so risky. Having my ability on cooldown. Okay. Wow, shield is nothing. Wow, shield is so useful. Wow, so useful. Oh! Oh! No! 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 Please leave! Please leave! Please leave! Oh, okay. 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 Let's go. Let's go. No! 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 Are you kidding me? No! 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 Two people at once. That's bad. That's bad. Oh! Are you kidding me? Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. Well, how's he died to autocams? You stole my kill. Okay, okay. You stole my kill. Where is everyone? Oh, Hunter 999.
You need one piece or two pieces.
No,
Two, no?
hey, hey, hey. Okay, go, go, go. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Okay, oh no. Okay, go, 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 let's go. Let's go. Why am I sweating? I'm literally sweating. Oh, that's sweat. Why am I sweating so bad? I have no idea. Come here, come here, come here. You can't hide forever. I remember once putting Guardian on Torrent, I literally got 26 kills from that one mech. I somehow did. I know. I'm not capping, bro. I somehow did. Well, you trying to do that? Yeah, yeah, no, there. Let's see. Oh my god, why is everyone there? Why is everyone there? Okay, Hunter 999. Oh, okay. Wow, Hunter 999. Wow, okay. Okay, yeah, bye, guys. See you later, guys. Oh. All right, yeah, all right, whatever. Come on.